This is the Hinomi X1. It might just be the ultimate ergonomic home office chair that will take your productivity to the next level. The X1 features 60 armrests that can be adjusted in 6 different ways, a 4-panel backrest that hugs your spine for total back support, an adjustable lumbar for back pain relief, and a very unique retractable leg rest for recliner level comfort. You're probably wondering, Ray, where are you at? What is this new setup that you have going on here? Well, I have been hyping up a change for a while now. This is my new home office slash studio setup. It's kind of like a hybrid in a way. It's far from done, but this is a little preview of what I have going on. This is the space where most of my videos are going to be taking place now, and the X1 here arrived as I've been building this new studio out. When the chair arrives, it's going to show up in a pretty large box. It isn't extremely heavy, but it is big and bulky, so it might be helpful to have a second set of hands on deck. Assembling it is a breeze. I put it together by myself in about 30 to 45 minutes. You just pop the wheels on, add the stem to the base, attach the bottom seat to the backrest, pop that onto the base, and add the headrest on. The X1 is a big and heavy chair, so assembly might be a little difficult for those that aren't used to it. Nonetheless, I do have to give credit where credit is due. The X1 was beautifully packed in here with instructions being super easy to follow. Honestly, 10 out of 10 experience for that alone. After it was all assembled and I sat in it for the first time, I was very impressed. This chair promises to do a lot of things on paper, and it definitely delivers on them, notably in the comfort department. The X1 is made of breathable material to help keep you cool, but what's even more awesome about this chair is that it's highly adjustable. It has 15 adjustable pieces, so you're gonna have no problem at all fine-tuning it to your liking. The 60 armrests do take some time getting used to, but I found them to be really helpful. What I like the most about them is that you can adjust them based on what you're doing, typing, gaming, etc. It brings so many levels of customization to your home office, and it greatly increases the amount of flexibility that you have for the things that you're doing. Another unique feature of the X1 is its butterfly backrest. Paired with the lumbar and lower back support, this helps you maintain good posture while you're working, gaming, or slacking off, which is important, especially if you're sitting at your desk for long periods of time. I found the backrest to be especially comfortable on your lower spine. It kind of like hugs it in a way. You can feel it the more that you lean back into the chair. The headrest also helps tremendously here. It provides some solid neck support, and it's also customizable so you can tweak it to your liking. As far as build quality goes, even with all the adjustable pieces, the X1 is rock solid. This is a high quality, durable, and well built chair. It looks exactly like it feels. The armrest, the headrest, the back support, they're all stable even when fully extended or reclined. Speaking of, my favorite thing about the X1 is the retractable leg rest. This sort of makes the X1 like a recliner in a way. It's great for power naps or even to use as a footrest. This is one of those things that's just like so clever. It's like, why didn't I think of this before? There are times where I just take breaks from work and lounge on this thing because it's so nice. This chair is the perfect addition to my new home office setup. All in all, the Hinomi X1 is a phenomenal, well thought out office chair. It is beyond comfortable. The armrests are great, the backrest feels fantastic on your back, and the retractable leg rest is so clever. If you're looking at a new home office chair, the X1 is well worth a look. Sure, it's pricey, but A, you cannot put a price on comfort, especially if you are at your desk all day, and B, investing in yourself is probably one of the best things, arguably one of the best things that you can ever do. Like, if you're happy, if you're comfortable, there's nothing better than that feeling. I could not imagine a better chair in my new home office desk setup to start this new chapter with. This thing is great. So that's about all that I got, my friends. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did and you liked what you saw, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It greatly helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to follow at Raymond Strazdas on X, Instagram, and TikTok for so much more. Until the next one, I will catch you guys later. Peace!